Hey guys, so I'm gonna kind of give you a detailed review of this Picberm juicer that I got from eBay, but the seller also sells it on Amazon, so that's why you see the Amazon box. But I just want to kind of be very detailed because I wasn't able to find a review of the juicer this detailed, but I did see it on Amazon.de and it had all 5 stars. I mean, it was only like 6 reviews, but it was like, but nobody had anything bad to say about it. So in my mind, I was like, okay, if nobody had anything bad to say about it, then it must be good. And I didn't want to buy, like, there was also juicers for like 30 or 40 euros. And as my first juicer, I didn't want to spend a lot of money because one, I'm not like a professional juicer, and it was really just a kind of not impulse buy. I was wanting a juicer for a very long time, but it was not something that I was ready to spend a few $100s on, because that's how much, like, if a really good juicer costs, it's going to be like in the $300-400. And Jessica was not about to spend that kind of money on a juicer. So, but I also didn't want to get like a really cheap juicer and then it breaks on the first or second try and then I'm out $30-40, you know? So that's all that comes in the box. And I'm gonna recycle everything, so save the earth. But I'm just gonna take everything out of the packaging, and you guys will see that it's actually it's not a lot of parts. And the main reason why I specifically got this juicer was because, well, besides getting all the other juicers in the price point, was because this juicer, they made it really clear that it was dishwasher friendly, and the other juicers, they didn't. It was really unsure if it was dishwasher friendly or not, and that was something that was important to me because, like, I wouldn't be able to throw everything in the dishwasher. So now this is my first time using it, so there's going to be a lot of hiccups in the beginning of putting it together, but after a while it gets really easy. By the way, that peeler, that is a horrible peeler. That's probably one of the only bad things I have to say about this juicer, and I'll go more into it later in the video, you'll see. But if you're, I didn't even know this was going to come with a peeler, so that's why it didn't really matter to me because I already have one. But if you're depending on the peeler that comes in this box, then baby, it's not gonna work for you. This peeler just, it's a horrible peeler. But yeah, it comes with a small kind of container and a big container. The small container is for the juice, and then the big container is for like the pieces of, or the resin. Gosh, I cannot talk. The remaining parts of the vegetable that kind of filters through. And it also comes with a brush to clean the metal piece inside where everything filters through. It's super easy to clean, by the way. And then it comes with this manual and then a warranty card that doesn't apply to me because I didn't get it directly off the website, so I don't have a product code, or at least I don't think I have a product code. But basically you get another 12 months of warranty if you call in with the product code. So that's the manual, and you're gonna see I'm horrible at reading instruction. I'm not even gonna, look at that, I'm not even gonna do it right. But over time, you get the hang of it. But yeah, so that part is actually really easy to click in and off. It's my first time doing it, so that's why it's kind of, you see me struggling. But it's, over time, it's really easy to take on and take off. And by the way, that top part that I just screwed on there, it does over time get a little bit hard to attach. I mean, not attach, but take off. So I wouldn't make it so tight later on after using it a few times. I wouldn't screw it on too tight, and you actually don't have to. But yeah, I don't know why I put that. You know, if I go through this whole video with that thing on backwards, it's gonna be hilarious. But I put that on backwards. And it comes with 3 settings: a soft setting, a hard setting, and a reverse function if something gets stuck. But for the 3 weeks I've had it, nothing has gotten stuck. Even if I've done carrots or celery, really, really hard stuff, I've never used that reverse function. So I can't even tell you how well it works, but I can tell you the juicer is good enough that I haven't had to use it. So you guys see how easy I took that top part off. And basically you can just pop it all off and put it in the sink if you're going to juice multiple times a day. But this time I put it in the dishwasher because it's the first time I'm unboxing it and I want to remove all the chemicals, so I usually wash everything when I get it, clothes and all. But I sped this part up because I'm putting away all the dishes at one time. But you can see that it's very dishwasher friendly. So yeah, here I'm now gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna struggle again on this. You're gonna see. Watch. Jessica, why? So wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. There you go. So finally get that on right. And you're gonna see how easy it's gonna be just to click it all on. And bam. So that's how you just screw that whole assembly part on. It's super easy. And finally got it right. Look at me. Yes, good job, Jessica. But I'm gonna plug it in, and then I'm going to show you guys the recipe that I'm gonna do. It's actually the book. It comes with a lot of different recipes, probably some I will never use, but it's a cucumber and lime recipe that I'm gonna show you in the book, and that's what I'm gonna do here in the video. And it actually turns out really, really good. So the instructions are in German, so I don't know what the hell it's saying, but I know it's cucumber. I know it's lemon, but I don't have the lemon, so I'm going to use a lime, but it comes out just as good. So here I'm just going to wash my vegetables before using them, and I'm probably the only one that gets like a weird feeling when I clean a cucumber. Not safe for work, but it's just like a dirty, like it's a bad vibe when I'm washing a cucumber. Like it's okay. I'm gonna stop. But I'm cutting the top and the bottom off of the cucumber. You don't have to, but it's a mental thing, like a psychological thing with me. So I always take the stalks out of the apples and the top and bottom off my fruits. Not my carrots, but with this vegetable, I am going to, and you're gonna see this peeler is so bad. Like I had to cut like 3 minutes out of this video because it took that long just to peel this lime with this peeler. But I wanted to use it so you guys can see everything that comes with the juicer and how well it works and how bad it works. And this is very bad. So yeah, I'm actually just gonna skip through this part because it takes unnecessarily too long. But that's the honey that I'm gonna use. It's also in their recipe. I got it from a Christmas market, from a small local farm here in Augsburg, Germany. And I'm kind of slicing the cucumber up because the whole stalk doesn't fit in the top. Actually, you might have to cut a lot of things up before you put it in there because it's not a big nose area, so it's not like you could just fit a whole apple in there or whatever. You have to dice it up and whatnot. But the lime I am able to fit in there actually, which is really, really good. But you guys can see exactly how smooth the vegetables go through there. Like I'm not even pressing that hard with the cucumber. It's really, really good. So, and actually this one cucumber yielded 5 ounces. So if I wanted a full cup, I probably would use 2 cucumbers. But this is a really abnormally large cucumber. So I'm not even going to say for certain, like, oh, 1 cucumber is enough or 2 cucumbers is enough. It really depends on how big the cucumber is. But for this cucumber, as big as it was, I think 2 cucumbers would have been good enough for a full cup, but I only had 1, so I used 1. And yeah, you guys can see really how easy it goes through. Like it works really, really good. And then the lime, and I'm gonna put the whole lime in there. I probably even didn't have to peel it, but I just did because, yeah, I don't like the taste of the skin. Kind of dry, but you can see how smooth it goes through there. Like it went through there super, super smooth. And I'm gonna turn this off like right away here, but now after a few weeks of having it, I don't turn it off right away because it's still kind of filtering through. So I let it run for like a minute after I put the last vegetable or fruit in, and I just let it kind of run through. But that's kind of what it looks like. Little inch size pieces after you juice everything. And you guys can see how easy it is to click off. So you press that little button on the side and then bam, it just comes all off, right off, just like that. And there goes my 5 ounces with the 1 cucumber and the lime. And also the juice, by the way, that comes from this is really, really super, super, super clean. Like there's no chunks in it. There's no like bits of vegetables that haven't been filtered through. It's like if you go to a supermarket and buy like a cucumber juice or carrot juice. It's really really smooth, and that's another thing that I really really like about this juicer is how smooth the juice is afterwards. So I wanted to let you guys know that that's also a plus. By the way, the noise level, I didn't put the noise in this video because there's a lot of things that go on in the background that you guys don't see. But it's I'm not gonna say that it's quiet, but it's not loud. Like if somebody is like doing a home office and the door is closed, like they won't hear it in their call. So yeah, the noise levels is acceptable, I would say. And there's my juice, nice and clear, foamy, so it's like Instagram worthy picture. It's like a coffee, foam on the top, it's satisfying. But thank you for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will do my best to answer. This juicer was really really good for the price. Like I have no regrets. I would buy it again if I had to, if I was going to get a gift for somebody. I don't know anybody that will spend $100 on a gift for just out of the blue, but if I had that kind of money and if I did have somebody I wanted to buy a gift for, I would buy this juicer. So share your recipes with me, and if you want any recipes from me, I'm currently like on a weight loss detox kind of regimen, so I'm juicing a lot, 3 times a day almost. So yeah, if there's anything that you think I should add or take out, just let me know, and thank you for watching. Bye.